In this video, I'll show you how to disable product reviews on all products in your WooCommerce store. As you can see in this example, the product page on my site features star reviews under the product title and the separate review section underneath, right over here. So if you're looking to fully disable the product review section altogether, in this video, I will show you how to do that. So at first, log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on WooCommerce and then select Settings. Once the Settings page loads, click on the Products tab and then select General. On the Reviews section, look for this option, Enable Product Reviews. Make sure to uncheck it and then save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can notice, the product ratings and the product review form with all the existing comments have been hidden. And this change will apply to the rest of the products. Let's take a look at another product. As you can see, the review section is also not available. So for now, that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.